you're back in my kitchen, and I really just did a video when I cleaned my Ninja XL oven, the big one. And I wanted to just say this. This is going to be in the beginning, but I wanted to say this. That oven is dirty, okay? And it got cleaner since I did what I did. Also, I want y'all to know that really we use this oven almost 7 days of the week. Okay, we use this oven a lot. Perry uses it a lot because he just makes him whatever because he knows how to use it. So he uses this one, and we use the grill more than we use almost anything all the time. So I just wanted to clean it out, and I want you guys to see what I did, how clean it got, and hopefully you can use that for your stuff later. I do appreciate you all, love you all, and please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. That there is the inside of my oven that needs to get clean. This is that bottom that goes on the bottom. I'm just gonna put this in hot soapy water, let it sit there for a while. And here's the 2 racks, but also put them in hot soapy water, let them sit there for a while, and I'll tell you how that's gonna come out. The first thing I'm gonna do is take some vinegar. I got a whole bunch. Very cheap stuff, just get some vinegar. I took about a cup of this vinegar. I'm gonna put it in the microwave and get it hot. Pour it in my spray bottle. Then I'm gonna spray it down with this vinegar. That's the first thing I'm gonna do. The next thing I'm going to do is add some two parts baking soda, 2 parts some baking soda. Another thing that's inexpensive, some baking soda in, and some dishwashing liquid. Any kind will do. I'm using Dawn. And I'm putting, a tablespoon. It's gonna make a lot of soap. You don't need a lot. Put on my glove. Gonna mix it up with my finger till it's into a paste. Okay. I got the mix. We going in. Okay, so I put some baking soda, vinegar. First I sprayed it with vinegar. Then I put a combination of baking soda and Dawn dishwashing liquid, whatever you want to do. I put it all inside of my oven, and I also took a steel wool and rubbed it down with some Brillo that I had over there and a brush. And then I added more vinegar, because the vinegar acts like an agent with the baking soda, and it starts bubbling up, helps to clean it. So now I went back and put a little bit more of that baking soda and Dawn combination back in my oven, and I'm gonna let it sit in there for 15, 20 minutes, maybe half an hour, and I'll be back when I wash it out. Okay, I'm back. It's been about 45 minutes, and I'm gonna see what's going on with my oven. And I'm sure I already know it's cleaner than it was. Might not be brand new, but I know it's cleaner than it was. So let's show you. I know you can see in there. I haven't done anything, I haven't taken anything out, but I know you can tell that it's cleaner than it was when we started. So now let me try to get all this goo out. I got me a rag here. Let's go. Okay guys, you can see now that this oven is 100% better. Like I said, not perfect, not brand new, but at least it's 100% better. And it's my fault if I had, been keeping up with this, it wouldn't have got this bad, but this is what I got. And you always got to be easy on yourself. 80% is better than 0%. So I think that's pretty good. And now back to me. Okay, I got that one clean. I'm gonna put it back together and I'll be able to use it tomorrow. So since I was gonna clean it, I wanted to do a video on what I'm gonna do to clean it the best I can. So here I am, doing the best I can, and I know I'm at least 80%. I'm sure you all are too. So have a good day, and thank you for coming in my kitchen every day. This is Stephanie. Talk to y'all later, and please always like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.